Another day, another set of insane trades. Ghostboard absolutely nailed today's moves on Tesla and NVDA, just like we did last week on Meta. And if you were in the Discord or tracking the options flow dashboard, you had the perfect opportunity to capitalize on these monster trades. We spotted the setups in the pre-market, tracked smart money flow live, and executed with precision. Let me break it down for you step by step so you can see exactly how we caught these moves. Before the market even opened, we had our eyes on Tesla and NVIDIA as the two strongest setups for the day. The technical setups were clean, and based on historical flow data, these stocks were primed for a move. For Tesla, we identified the bullish exhaustion from last week's candle and identified the strength in the pre-market as well for some upside potential up to 263 and 273 price targets. And on NVIDIA, we noticed some strength in the semis and a bullish structure on the daily or hourly time frame looking for upside to 122.89 and higher. After planning this out in the pre-market, all we needed to do now was wait for confirmation from options whales, also known as smart money. And sure enough, right after the bell, the whales showed up. As soon as the market opened, we saw massive unusual whale positioning, but what really stood out was how these orders were structured. Tesla saw a huge spike in high premium call activity, targeting 300 strike for this week's expiration. That's $40 out the money. This was not retail. This is smart money making a high conviction trade. At this point, the trade is fully confirmed with our top watch setup meeting options whale activity, and I immediately sent out the alerts in the tenant trade group and Ghostboard Discord. If you were paying attention, you had every opportunity to act on this. Right after I posted the alerts, Tesla pushed through the 262 resistance and ran all the way up to 276, giving an incredible $15 move. The options contracts returned over 180% gains in just a matter of an hour. It was a beautiful trade to start the week off, but then NVIDIA started lighting up on the flow AI very aggressively. Over $30 million in call flow came in within the first hour on NVIDIA, showing clear momentum of options traders building positions for the upside. A lot of Ghostboard dashboard users identified this activity without even me having to alert this, as you guys are starting to pick up on actionable flow alerts, and you guys shared it yourself in these communities. NVIDIA did the same thing. It consolidated all morning and didn't really participate with the market until the options whales came in and started positioning for the upside. Once these positions were detected by the flow AI, NVIDIA started breaking out with strong volume and running straight to our target of 121.88. Not only was NVIDIA a very technical setup, but the amount of call flow and bullish activity that was spotted on this name was very unusual. Many different strikes for short-term weekly expiration contracts were coming in on NVIDIA all at the same time. This was just very unusual, and even the members were able to detect this. And just like Tesla, these contracts also printed huge profits with over 100% on some of the alerts, but an average of 60% on most of them. It wasn't just me catching these trades. Look at what the Ghostboard dashboard users are doing every single day. Traders in the Ghostboard Discord and Tenant Trade Group absolutely crushed it, locking in huge gains on Tesla and NVIDIA today. This is why tracking real-time flow and following smart money is a game changer. It's not just about finding trades, it's about finding actionable trades and being able to execute with confidence and knowing you're trading with the flow and with smart money, not against them. The results speak for themselves. And the best part, you can do this too. If you're still trading without tracking real-time options flow, you're missing out on some of the biggest opportunities in the market. Ghostboard gives you the edge that you need to trade with the whales and catch these massive moves before they happen. You can try it 100% free by signing up for the 7-day free trial, testing it out, and see how powerful this tool really is. Click the link in the description, join the community, and let's keep shadowing smart money to gain profit as they do all the hard work. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the like and subscribe and turn on my post notifications as well. If you're finding the Ghostboard dashboard or the options data helpful, drop a comment below, and if you're enjoying these videos, also let me know in the comments and let me know what kind of content I should be bringing in the future.